chào, Nĩ Hào. Hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. My name is Sim. Today I will show you how to make avocado with egg for breakfast. First, you will need some avocado. Today, this recipes we will use half of avocado, 1 egg, some butter, cheese, salt and pepper for taste. So first, we will turn on medium-high heat for make hot the pan. You will put the butter inside. Let the butter cover the pan. If you love olive oil, you can use olive oil. Avocado, you just cut half. Cut half avocado. Just take up the skin up. And now you see the hole right here. You make a hole. You just make a circle. Sorry, my dog. So now we wrap the half avocado in here after we make a hole. See this half. Now the egg. Drop the egg right here. Put in the bowl. The egg in here. Now we put some black pepper, salt, and you know what next? We cover it. Cook for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I will turn the egg. Cook for 1 minute. Also, you can put some cheese on top of it. Almost have an egg. Yummy breakfast. I put a little bit black pepper on top of it. And now we wait for 1 minute. That's it. So after 1 minute, turn up. It smells amazing. And I put some green onion if you like. Also, check this one. Look, this is really yummy. Yummy for your tummy. So also you can eat with chinsu. I love a little spice, but this called chinsu tương ớt. So If you want this one, just check out this one. This one, the taste really good. Also, you can eat with ketchup if you like. Also, just eat like this. Let Hey guys, look. Dada! This is my breakfast. Hopefully you check this recipe out because this one really yummy. So thank you for watching. You guys have a great day. See you in next video. Bye bye.